Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we're gonna configure our workers in our project, and we're gonna see like how we can use workers to run our process or the steps inside the project. So for this, you have to click on the projects, and then you need to select your project where you want to, do some configuration changes. So over here, you have to click on the process, and then like you can select any of the step. Let's select echo step over here. So over here, previously we were running this echo step on our deployment target. As you can see over here, this is the execution location. So this time I'm going to change it to the worker. Once you select a worker, you have to select the pool as well, from which particular pool your machines or the workers will be fetched and will be used. So you have to select my pool as we created in the last video, and then you have to save it. Alright, so now our execution location is being updated to a worker, and the worker will be used from my pool. So let's create a release, and we're gonna save it over here. And once we have the release, let's go to the overview and let's put a filter for 0.0.8, which is the new release that we created, and we're gonna deploy that release on our pre-prod environment. So let's click on deploy. Alright, so as you can see over here, this echo step is basically running on the top of a worker, not directly onto our deployment target. You can click onto the step and you can check that inside the logs that this echo step, which is our step 1, is being using the worker, and on the top of that worker, basically we have ran like echo hello world. And if we'll talk about the step 2, it basically triggered onto our deployment target, which is like pre-prod deployment target, which is already configured, and it basically ran on the top of our deployment target. But if we'll talk about our step 1, it basically using the workers from the pool. Now whenever you're going to trigger a job, the worker will come out of the pool, and once the job is completed, that worker will be bring back to the pool so that other jobs can use those pools. So what happening in the backend is your job basically uh, you know pull a worker out of the pool, and then it basically put a lock onto the top of worker so that that worker will not be used with other processes at the same time. And once that worker is free, it will be available back into the pool for other jobs. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.